Hi, all. Welcome to new video of Horilla development technical series. In this video, we're going to see how we can set up a status indication for our custom Swift request view. So basically, the status indication is a quick filter option available just above top corner of the Horilla list view. When we check the leave request, here we can see some default filtration for the shift request. So similarly, how we can add these kind of status indication into our custom shift request view. So first we can jump into the VS Code, and yeah, first we can refer the list view of leave request. Control T, leave request list. Okay, this is our request view. When I search the status, yeah, you'll see row status indications. Okay, so this is the feature that showing that quick filter options. So here you can see the class we can add to the I mean uh, element action element, also the label and the action when we click what need to be happen. So you can see there is a on click script when the button is click. The Here you can see the filter form is fetched from the filter form. The script will fetch the status field and set the value to rejected. Then it will click the apply button, filter apply button. So that's how the status indication works. So now we can add this indication similarly to our custom shift request view. So for that, type row status indications and list. Then we can refer the theme, Horilla theme, sorry, Horilla list table. So table Horilla theme, yeah. From here, we are having some action section. Yeah, bulk select the options. Here we having the status. So let's add some of status indication to our list view. There you can see for the span, it will take in an attribute. So we can add for the zeroth element, it will take as a class. If in some cases maybe you want some additional class to add, or in some cases you have to add some attribute to the parent span class. Basically, we'll add this attribute when we have the Horilla now view, so we can make possible of that filter, or simply we can run a HRMS for the filtration is to happen. Yeah, let's add those tuple item. It will take tuple inside list. Then for the first element, it accept a class uh, for the span dot. So it will require a color. So I'm going to add to approve custom custom shift not approve. Okay, that's the first shift first indication that I'm going to add. Then the second item will be the attributes. Let's add Let's add the functionality like on click is symbol. Let's do a symbol alert. On click, we can do a action like quotation. Just make it triple quotes. Then let's do a symbol alert. Okay. Then okay. Then the third item will be the sorry. As you can see, it is a second item. Second item will be the label, and the third item will be the uh, 8 days. So let's start the label as not approved for now. Then let's add the approved item also. Let's copy them, paste it, and yeah, let's make it approved. The label also different. Okay, now when I refresh inside the shift request, before that, just ensure the server is starting. Yeah. Oh, okay. The action is coming instead of. Okay, I think the server is not recognize the change. Let's refresh. Okay, starting up. Yeah. When I refresh. Oh, I think the order is no. I missed the comma. Now when I refresh, you can see the quick status indication is coming, but no color is showing right here. When I click, okay, the alert is not showing. That's something unexpected. Okay, parenthesis is unnecessary. Okay, yeah, server is restarting. So similarly, let's add class to background color to this two class. So inside the we can check this sidebar, custom map, sidebar or URLs. You can check any of them. Okay, here is the custom shift view. Let's search for the URL, then custom shift. Yeah, it is the view. So let's jump into the template. Let's add those two class over here. Okay, let's close the right side. Okay, let's add a style tag and background color into like not approved will be gray for now, and for the approved one, copy it, paste it. It will be yellow green for approved. Now when I refresh, here you can see the color is now coming. Also when I click, okay, it's not working still. When I click, alert is present here. Okay, the quotation is unnecessary. When we go back to the shift request, here is our custom action. Here, this quotation is unnecessary. Yeah. Okay, let's restart the service. Okay, server is starting up. Come back to browser until yes, it's now updated. Refresh. Okay, when I click on the upload, here you can see now the alert is showing. So we will see at the time of follow now creation how we can configure it into a functional filtration. So also you can refer the leave request, the initially show like you. Using that you can make your logic to make the filtration is happen. So let's see how we can filter it uh, using the HDMX. For that, for now I'm just we can make providing h6 get. H6 get will be the your path will be uh okay, let's import reverse lazy. Yeah, it's already imported. Reverse lazy of and the URL custom shift request list view. Okay, we can add the name over here. Then okay, inside the shift check for the filtration. Yeah, here the shift request filter class. When you go inside to the filter class, here is a boolean field called approved. What will shift request? It is now the model. This is a boolean field called approved. So it's not approved. In that case, let's pass the key from the filter class. Approved. The value is false. It's not approved. And it hx target will be hx target will be the inside the custom shift request template. Here is the shift request. Note that. Let's add an ID over here. No, that's fine. We can add the view ID from the list view. So inside the view ID, I'm going to add custom shift request view ID. Let's add this ID inside the hx target. Okay, let's restart the service. Okay, here we got in some reverse issues. Then in that case, we can make it inside to the init method. If init, yeah, we simply want to make this indication into inside the init method self dot. Yeah, then you have to provide the self dot and the attribute or the property. Now let's restart the service again. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now when I click on it, okay, that's not the one. I added the HRMS. It was the one. When I click, now only showing the not approved request. Similarly, let's make it to true one for the second for the second quick filter. Then it will be true. Okay, wait for server to restart. Okay, now let's click on the approve one. Okay, now the shift request is gone is because there is no filtration. Filter Horilla navbar is available. When I click the not approved, yeah, for now let's approve some of this using the bulk update. Oh, there is no bulk update option is available. Yeah, let's add that too. Bulk update. Yeah, we already have done a video on the bulk update. You can refer. I will add this link inside the description. You can check on that. Bulk update. It will be the approve. Let's ensure the model failed. Approved. Approved. Okay. Refresh. Search. Check 1 2 records. No, it's not coming. Yeah, bulk update fails. Wrong attribute. Just a second. Bulk update fails. Remove the previous one. Now let's add this list over here. Yeah. Now let's refresh the server. Then refresh inside the browser too. Then select 1 or 2 record. Here we can see the update. Let's make upload to yes. Okay. Now let's click on the upload. Let's check what is happening. Okay, there's no action. Let's add the upload into the columns too. Upload. Okay, now when we refresh, then we can add all the column. Yeah, here's the upload. Oh, okay. Oh, the URL is not correct. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the string. Okay, now let's see. Refresh. Yeah, where you can see now it's only showing a true when I click on the not approved. Okay, it's because we need to write a method. Yeah, now the false one. So you have to make the boolean choice into true or false accordingly. So that's how you configure the quick filters option into the Horilla list view. I hope you understood the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask it inside the comment. Also, please check the bulk update feature available inside Horilla distributor. Thank you for watching.